Hey guys, it looks like Walmart are finally getting new 9-pack. So this is, I think, the third 9-pack I've found now in 2022 in the last few weeks. Once again, it's not a super exciting 9-pack because we have seen a lot of these vehicles before, but I am going to do a quick unboxing and look at the vehicles and compare them to some of the previous versions of the same or slightly different vehicles that we've already seen. So let's just have a quick look at the box and the vehicles in there. Looks like a Nissan Leaf, and I've seen a lot of the other vehicles. There's a Ford and an Austin and a Porsche in there, as well as a Chevrolet, a Nissan, a Jaguar, a Freightliner, and a Matchbox. There's the back. And give me a second while I take the vehicles out. So it's been unboxed, and there's the vehicles out of the packaging, and there's a look at the packaging one more time. So let's quickly go through these vehicles one by one. Just gonna move them to the side here. So the first vehicle we're gonna look at is a Chevrolet Silverado. We've seen this vehicle before. I'm just gonna start the table here. Let's just have a quick look at it. Never unboxed it before. Really quick look at it. So not a huge fan of the plastic grille on it. See there? And then it also came in this 5-pack from 2021 called Mbx City Drivers. And there it is. It looks identical to me. Let's just have a close-up of this particular vehicle. It's got the Skyjacker logo at the back there. No detailing at the back. Decent enough vehicle. There it is. Okay, I'm just gonna move right along really quickly. Okay, I'm not going to spend too much time on that vehicle. Let's just have a quick look at it. I'm not gonna not one that I necessarily collect. There's the back, and I feel like this is another licensed vehicle here. Oh, no, it's not. It's called a Cliffhanger. And it's once again in the same 5-pack that we looked at before with the Skyjacker Chevy Silverado. That vehicle is there as well. Might be a slightly different tint of green than the one in the Mbx City Drivers box, but it's close enough and not really worth spending too much time on it because it's just not one that really excites me that much. Next, we got a fire truck. We've seen this before as well. Just gonna go through it real quick here. Freightliner business class, and just to show you guys where I got my first one, so it was in that 5-pack from last year called MBX Fire and Rescue. You can see it right there at the bottom. There's the rest of the 5-pack. Okay, next we have the 63 Austin Healey. We've seen a few different versions of this. We've also seen this version before. Quite a nice vehicle. As you can see, there's the side of it. Looks to be a bit of a goldish interior, which is quite nice, quite different. Look at that. Detailing isn't the greatest, but it is quite a nice vehicle. Sorry, the detailing of the interior isn't the greatest, but generally quite good. Back is not detailed, front is, including the grille. And then we saw that particular vehicle in the 5-pack called Blue Highways 2. It's right there. And I did compare them. They look quite similar. As you can see, even the shades of green are quite similar on those. Next, we're gonna look at the, what is this? This is a Jag of some sort. A 1961 Jaguar E-Type Coupe. Seen this one before as well. Just gonna let it boil once real quick. Of course, we saw that in the Mbx Exotics from last year. There it is. I'm actually going to pull this vehicle out and compare the two, just see if there's any differences. Just give me 1 second while I take it out of the box there. So it's out of the box, and we're just going to do a side by side and just have a look at the two together. They look absolutely identical to me. If you guys notice anything, let me know. But yeah, even the shades are pretty bang on. Yeah, they're exactly the same. Next, we're going to look at this Porsche Panorama. Quite a nice car. We've also seen that before. It was either in a 5-pack or a 9-pack last year. I've already pulled it out and I couldn't remember which 5 or 9-pack I pulled it out of, but I'm going to compare the second version that I have of it to the original. Let's just get it low so we can really look at it. So look, quite similar. The detailing looks similar, but there are definitely two different shades of yellow. There's no question about it. Same Porsche symbol. Both are black interiors. Same set of wheels. And the lights are, the detailing at the back is identical. Let's just have a quick look at the two number plates. Identical. The printing in one is just better than the other. And then let's just look at the back here. So this is the new one. There you go. Really nice vehicles. Next we have this vehicle. I feel like we had it in either a 5-pack or a 9-pack already this year or last year. Not one that I'm necessarily collecting, but I do have a few different versions of this. I don't think it's a licensed vehicle. It's called Ridge Raider. It's definitely not a licensed vehicle. Decent. I think kids will like it. We also saw it in that Mbx Rally 2 5-pack from last year. There it is. For anyone that cares about it. And then we have this vehicle, which is a 1955 Ford F100 panel delivery van. I always like anything with a shell livery on it. It actually looks really good. It's a good looking vehicle. It does have an interior. It's sort of a red steering wheel, if you can see it. Really nice. I think it's going to display really well if you wanted to display that. And last but not least at all, course it doesn't want to come out of its packaging. Let's see what I can do with it. We have the Nissan Leaf, which we saw last year in white. So let's just have a look at that. So this is the exclusive model. And I have to say this car is really, really well designed. Look at that. Just gorgeous. I really like that. I'm not sure it's worth getting just for the Nissan Leaf because there are about $8. But if you didn't have the other vehicles in this pack, it's definitely worth picking up. Look at that. Look at the detailing on that. I love the back, and it was really well done in white as well last year. I'll just get the other version of it that I own. Just put them side by side so you guys can see it. How sharp are those? Looks like my white version has a bit of a ding on it. I guarantee it was a manufacturing ding because it's been boxed this whole time. Look at that. Really, really nice. And just so you know, that white version of the Nissan Leaf came out of this Mbx EV and Hydro set, which is, I think, a really, really nice set. And then, a couple of other vehicles I wanted to show you. So I do have another version of the Jaguar, the 61 Jaguar E-Type. So this is a premium version. It's quite nice. I think I've showed it to you guys before, but I had it out, so I thought I'd just show it one more time since that vehicle was repeated in this 9-pack. And then I picked up some Hot Wheels vehicles. There's a 69 Chevelle in a burnt orange. Doesn't look too burnt in the light, in my lighting. This is one of my favorites, DCM DeLorean. Difficult one to find in Vancouver, and I finally got one, so I'm really happy about that. And these were about $6 each. These are Hot Wheels premium line, and there's a bit of a monster as well, the 20 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Once again, difficult ones to find. There were about 20 people waiting for them. I'm surprised I was able to snag 3 of them when the box was opened. There's another Porsche Panorama, and I'm just trying to think if there's anything else I want to show you here. Oh, and then I did get some premium line vehicles, once again all Hot Wheels, but that's a fantastic Corvette. And that's a Volkswagen IDR in black. Both really nice vehicles. Let me just put all the vehicles that we just looked at together, and then so guys, there is our 9-pack. Some really nice vehicles. Unfortunately, I had a lot of these vehicles already in my collection, but really quite a good 9-pack, and I'm glad that Matchbox put it together. In particular, I do like the Nissan Leaf, which was the exclusive and which was really the motivation behind me purchasing this set. So if you haven't already liked my channel, please do, and if you haven't subscribed, it'd be wonderful if you could. Have a fantastic night, and I will be doing a couple more videos in the next couple of days.